Paul sing, if you could stop time for an hour, what would you do with that hour? If you could stop time for an hour, what would you do with that hour?
If I could stop time for an hour, what would you do with that 1 hour? Mr. Contest Master, fellow Toastmasters, honored guests. If I could stop time for 1 hour, I would be in a parachute, an open parachute, of course, jumping off of a plane at 10,000 feet. This happened in October of 2005. I decided to jump out of a perfectly good plane. Don't ask me why, just had to do it. I had to do it for myself. I figured, if I can talk myself into jumping out of a perfectly good plane, I can talk myself into doing anything. So they took me up to 10,000 feet. Everything looked small. Houses looked like little toys. And when they said, go ahead and jump, I wanted to change my mind. I didn't want to jump. It was scary. So they pushed me out anyways. As I was falling, I remember they told me that when you see the altimeter at 3,000 feet, go ahead and open the chute. I looked down, it was 8,000 feet. I looked down again, it was 6,000 feet. I said, that's good enough. I pulled that cord, the parachute opened. And it felt so safe. It was as if the time had stopped. It was quiet. There was no sound except the fluttering of the parachute. I looked up, it looked good. If I could relive that moment, that would be the moment I want to live again. I wish that chute lasted for 1 hour, but it didn't. I landed in 3 minutes. It was kind of a rough landing. But nevertheless, if I could stop time, that would be the time I'd want to stop.